Running a digital marketing agency? Here's how to use Zoho CRM to manage leads, clients, and campaigns efficiently. A digital marketing agency can use Zoho CRM to manage the full client lifecycle, from lead capture to campaign delivery and reporting. Start by capturing prospects in the Leads module from website forms, ads, or social media integrations. Qualify and convert them into contacts and accounts, then track sales opportunities in deals with stages like proposal, negotiation, and won. Use tasks, calls, and meetings to manage campaign activities and deadlines for each client. You can also create custom fields for services, SEO, ads, social media, and track budgets or retainers. Connect Zoho CRM with email marketing or ad platforms to sync campaign data, and use reports and dashboards to monitor pipeline value, campaign ROI, and client performance. This setup helps agencies manage multiple clients and campaigns in one centralized system. That's it. You can now use Zoho CRM effectively for your digital marketing agency. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.